In this video, I'm going to talk about why you haven't heard from me much lately and how that is going to change. Yeah, so I haven't been creating too many videos the last couple of years, and I'm going to tell you why. I was teaching collision repair, and I got out of that, and I moved to Denver for a little bit, and I taught it there. Then I moved here to Missouri, Springfield, Missouri, and started doing independent adjusting. And then a company hired me to do full claims, which is cradle to grave, so to speak, claims. And it's kept me really busy, and I haven't had time to do videos, but that's about to change. I have decided to go back into teaching. So here in Missouri, I took another teaching job where I'll be teaching collision repair. And of course, that gives me a little more time. I am going to continue to do some claims on the side as an independent again, but I will also have more time to do other things like these videos. Believe it or not, these videos do take quite more time than you might think. They might be 3 to 5 minutes long, but you've got to create them. And it takes you longer to do whatever you're doing, like if you're showing a tutorial, because you've got to go through the steps and edit it and all that. I enjoy doing it, but it does take some time. But I do plan to start doing that again. I just want to let you know that you should see more videos coming soon. And I'll get more active back here on YouTube. And I'll also be looking to, get with some partner with some companies, to get things, donations and stuff like that for the school. Or not necessarily donations, but, for tool companies and things like that to give us tool in exchange for videos like we've done in the past. I've got quite a few things for the shop, back at, when I was doing this, spray guns and equipment and things like that, which came in really useful. Schools got a limited amount of budget that they have to spend, and doing this helps supply the students with more equipment, maybe some of the newest spray guns and things like that. It really helps out. So I hope to be doing more videos. I plan on it. Like I said, though, I will still be a little bit more busier than I was, because I am going to continue doing claims on the side. Probably do mostly on the appraisal side, where I just go out and inspect the vehicles and write the estimates. Like I said, I have been doing everything. I've been an adjuster and an appraiser. The full claim, and I've been working Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas, Kentucky. So yeah, it has kept me extremely busy doing all that. I enjoy doing it, but and if you're thinking about doing this as a career, it's a good career. You can make good money. Now, I never did get into the catastrophic side of this, where you chase the storms, where you can make even more money. When I moved to Missouri, I was kicking that around. My kids are grown, and maybe it's time for me to do that. But then along come the grandkids. So, now having fun with them, and kind of don't really want to be gone all the time. So, but if you're thinking of this as a career, insurance adjusting, appraisal, it has been a good, it's been very educational. I've learned a lot. It is a good career, and I'll probably be posting more videos about that as well. So anyway, I just want to give you a quick update and give you a heads up. So that's pretty much wraps up this video, and like I said, I'll be more interactive on YouTube and trying to start answering questions. And I've tried the last couple of weeks to get more involved with this again. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.